Dorsal arch यहाँ से आई. This is the dorsal arch over here. This is the radial artery itself, which passing through the first
बाकी
bronchial space.
ब्रांचेस आएंगी.
Sorry, बेटे.
डोर्सल आर्च से बाकी 3 मेटाकार्पल्स की ब्रांचेस आएंगी.
जी 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 बिल्कुल. बाकी 3 मेटाकार्पल की. ठीक है जी. फिर उसके बाद आपके फर्स्ट डॉर्सल मेटाकार्पल आर्टरी जो है बिफोर इट डिपिंग इनटू द palm of the hand, before dipping between the first interosseous spade, it giving a branch which is called the first dorsal metacarpal artery, okay, which is running over here and supplying the adjacent side of the thumb as well as the index finger. आप देख रहे हो ये भी bifurcate हो रही है, आपके side of the thumb को भी supply कर रही है और side of the index finger को भी कर रही है. ठीक है, it going to divide like this. After that, now the another important artery which coming from it, the arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, this is the arteria princeps pollicis कहते हैं या dorsalis pollicis भी कह सकते हैं आप इसको. यहाँ पर not the dorsalis, over here. This is the arteria princeps pollicis which is over here. So from where it's coming, this arising from the radial artery when it turning medially into the palm. When it entering into the palm, over here it giving a branch which is called the arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, over here this is the arteria princeps pollicis, or this is the proximal phelling and this is the distal phelling. Okay, at the level of the proximal phelling you can see it is going to bifurcate here. It's supplying the sides of the thumb here. Okay, this is the arteria princeps pollicis. And this arteria princeps pollicis जो है, it is giving the nutrient artery to the first metacarpal bone. It giving nutrient artery to the first. This again, this can be an MCQ. Okay, the first metacarpal artery receiving its arterial supply through arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, this is the.
फिर से बताइएगा.
जो arteria princeps pollicis है, which is running on the medial side.
आपकी आवाज बड़ी डिस्टॉर्ट हो रही.
बेटे में तो अकेले बैठी.
मैम क्लियर है आवाज तो. क्लियर है आवाज.
चलिए, this is the princeps pollicis over here, and this princeps pollicis is actually coming from the radial artery when it entering into the palm before turning medially. When before turning medially, it giving a branch. This is called the arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, and then at the level of the proximal phelling, it going to bifurcate over here. By bifurcation, it going to supply the skin and the subcutaneous tissue of the thumb over here. Along with this arteria princeps pollicis giving a nutrient branch to the first metacarpal bone. So the first metacarpal bone receiving its nutrient artery through the arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes. Yes, artery bone से गुजर.
Branch देगी ना बेटे, branch देगी वो अपनी nutrient branch.
वैसे posterior गुजर रही है.
फोरामेन में से गुजर रही है.
This is the anterior aspect of the palm, बेटे, palmar aspect of the palm. Radial artery में आपकी exactly radial artery जब आपकी यहाँ palmar aspect पर आई थी, यहाँ anatomical snuff box में आप उसकी pulsation नहीं लेते हो बेटे. Anatomical snuff box is present on the dorsum of the hand ना. तो वो anatomical snuff box को cross करके scaphoid bone को trapezium को cross करके आपके first dorsal interosseous space में आ गई थी. फर्स्ट डॉर्सल इंटरोशियल स्पेस में उसने पियर्स किया उसको और वहां से वो एंटर हो गई palm of the hand में. When enter into the palm of the hand before turning medially toward the base of the fifth metacarpal to form an arch over here, it giving a branch. This is called the arteria princeps pollicis here. ठीक है जी. Then after that another branch which coming from the radial artery is the arteria radialis indicis. Radial side पे है. Sorry, index finger की तरफ है. That's why we call it the arteria radial indicis. This arteria radial indicis is most of the cases it arising from the arteria princeps pollicis. Over here you can see that mostly it is coming from the arteria princeps pollicis. नजर आ रहा है यहाँ से. This is arteria princeps pollicis and giving a branch which is called the arteria radial indicis. But it can be a branch of the radial artery itself. ठीक है जी. So this one it going to supply the radial side of the index finger over here. Okay जी बेटे. So this is the story of the arteria radialis indicis. So they are the different branches which coming from the radial artery. First one is the palmar carpal branch. Second one is the superficial palmar branch. Third one is the dorsal carpal branch. And after that, you have the first carpal. This one, the first metacarpal artery over here, the dorsal metacarpal. Then you have the arteria princeps pollicis over here. Then you have the arteria radial indicis. So these are the different branches which coming from the radial artery. Now after that,
मैम
जी
इसकी ब्रांचेस वाली स्लाइड एक दफा शो करवा दें.
देखें,
थैंक्स मैम.
palmar carpal branch है, superficial palmar branch, dorsal carpal branch, first dorsal metacarpal artery, arteria princeps pollicis, arteria radialis indicis. ठीक है जी डॉक्टर साहब.
यस मैम.
After that, now come to the deep palmar arch, which I already said that this deep palmar arch is actually the direct continuation of the radial artery. This in lighter, this one is a deep palmar arch, और जो darker area है, this is the superficial palmar arch. So, जो आपके पास deep palmar arch है, it is a direct continuation of the radial artery. When it turning medially toward the base of the fifth metacarpal, over here, because this is a deep palmar arch, so it is completed on the medial side with the help of the deep branch of the ulnar artery. This is a deep branch of the ulnar artery. We join this one at the level of the base of the fifth metacarpal to form one complete arch over here. This is called the deep palmar arch. ठीक है, नजर आ रही है बेटे? So this deep palmar arch,
Yeah,
where
yes,
it lie over the proximal end of the metacarpal bone. If you remember, they are the proximal end or the bases of the metacarpal. Here you have the heads of the metacarpal. Okay. So this deep palmar arch, where it is located, it lie on the proximal ends of the metacarpal bone and on the interosseous muscle over here. यहाँ आपके पास palmar and interosseous होते हैं ना, which are 3 in number. So it is lie over these. Now after that, you can easily appreciate over here that this deep palmar branch is giving different branches. 3 palmar metacarpal arteries. Name shows that on the palmar aspect for the metacarpal bones. 3 perforating branches. Obviously, जिन्होंने आपके साथ join किया था जाके metacarpal, dorsal metacarpal arteries को at the proximal level, if you remember. And after that, you have the recurrent branches, which are going to join the palmar carpal arch, if you remember. ठीक है? So these are the different branches which coming from the deep palmar arch. First, we are going to discuss the 3 palmar metacarpal artery. अब ये 3 palmar metacarpal artery हैं, from where they are arising? They are actually arising from the convexity of the deep palmar arch. This area is called the convexity, and over here this is called the concavity of the deep palmar arch. So the 3 palmar metacarpal artery, they are arising from the convexity of the deep palmar arch, running distally upon the interosseous muscle over here. They are 3 in number, 1, 2 or 3. They are running upon the interosseous muscle over there in the 2nd, 3rd and the 4th interosseous space. And these arteries, they are going to join with the branches which are coming from the superficial palmar arch. These are called the common digital branches or common digital arteries. So these 3 palmar metacarpal arteries, they are going to join with which arteries? With the common digital arteries which are coming from the superficial palmar arch. ये नजर आ रहा है ना आपको यहाँ पर? ठीक है? और these artery, they are going to supply जो metacarpal arteries हैं, they are going to supply the nutrient branches to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and the 5th metacarpal. The first one को metacarpal को supply कौन कर रहा था? Arteria princeps pollicis. The remaining 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th metacarpal